In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a free countdown timer to your Squarespace page using an external tool. If you want to create a little urgency for a promotion, event, product launch, or limited time offer, a countdown timer can be a simple and effective addition to your website. The good news is that you do not need to build one from scratch. Instead, you can use a free external tool that generates the code for you and then place that code directly into Squarespace. To get started, open a tool such as ElfSite or MotionMail in your browser and use it to generate a free countdown script. These platforms usually give you a visual setup process so you can customize the style, the end date, and the overall look of the timer before the code is created. Take a moment here to make sure the timer matches the design of your site and that the countdown ends at the correct date and time. That part is important, especially if the timer is tied to a specific campaign or event. Once the countdown is set up the way you want, copy the HTML or JavaScript code provided by the tool. Be sure to copy the full code exactly as it appears. If anything is left out, the timer may not display correctly later. This code is what tells Squarespace how to load and show the countdown on your page. Next, go to your Squarespace website and open the page where you want the countdown to appear. Enter edit mode for that page, then add a code block. This block is designed for custom code, which makes it the right place for content like embedded widgets, scripts, or third-party features such as countdown timers. After that, paste the code you copied into the code block. Make sure it goes in cleanly without extra characters or missing lines. Once the code is in place, save the page so your changes are published. After saving, check the page on the front end to confirm the countdown is showing properly. If it does not appear right away, refresh the page and give it a moment to load. Some third-party scripts take a few seconds to render. It is also a good idea to preview the timer on both desktop and mobile so you can make sure it looks good across devices. That's it. You've successfully added a free countdown timer to your Squarespace page using an external tool and a code block.